My name is Autumn Stoll. I'm a graduate student at Purdue University in the Department of Food Science, and today we'll be showing you how to make dairy-free almond milk at home safely. Before handling the nuts, wash your hands with warm water and soap for 20 seconds. Make sure all of your utensils and equipment are clean before you start using them. You'll want to use pasteurized nuts, which have been processed to reduce the pathogens. To start making our almond milk, we will start with 1 cup of almonds and 3 cups of filtered water. We'll now put these in the fridge for 4 to 8 hours to soak. After draining the soaked nuts, rinse with water. We'll now take our soaked and rinsed nuts, put them in the blender with 2 cups of water. Before you strain the almond milk, be sure to wash your hands again. We'll now strain our leftover almond pulp out of our almond milk with a clean cheesecloth. Now that we have our almond milk, we can safely store it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days.